Hey everybody, it's me! So, I don't normally make videos like this, mainly because, well, it's not what I do. But, if you can't tell by the name of this video, I've made a Patreon page. People have been asking me for a long time to make paid courses on things like Gumroad or Udemy, and I'm just over here thinking, why? You do realize my content is free, right? And there's a reason for that. It's because I don't like paywalling information. It's a scummy progress. The reason why I don't do paid courses is because I hate paywalling knowledge and information.
Do you want to be a modeling master? Do you want to know the knowledge of the universe? Come to my Udemy page and you can learn things that you could learn for free elsewhere.
Do you have any input? I don't think it does. I mean, we're on the internet. It is a globally decentralized knowledge network. You don't have to pay me anything. If you want to learn something for free, you can literally look anywhere. But I suppose that's kind of not the point. You guys just want to support me, and I've felt conflicted about that for a while. Like, real talk, I don't just make these videos for everyone. I also make these videos for myself because, like, it helps cement my own knowledge of what I do, and it also kind of acts as a log for myself to know what I do and don't know. However, if you're just one of those people who want to support me for whatever reason, I guess you can now. On my Patreon right now, I currently have 3 tiers available that you can go up to. The first one is the general supporter tier, which is $1 to $2 a month. Basically, if you just want to buy me a coffee every month, this would be the tier for you. You'd get access to all of my YouTube tutorials that I've made for download. You would also get Patreon updates, and if you're in my PS1 Graphics Discord, you would also get the Wizard Supporter role. Now, if you get the Wizard Acolyte tier, that starts at $3, and by getting that tier, you'll get everything from the Supporter tier. You'll get this STL file for the Sickly Wizard mini that I'd made, which, if you have a 3D printer, you can print one of them off and have one of your own. I'll also probably be making more minis in the future, but we'll have to see. You'll also get early access to any tutorials that I make days in advance before it being released, progress updates on projects I'm working on, and also you can vote on what you want the next video to be. And the final tier as of right now is the Wizard Journeyman tier. With this tier, you get everything from the previous tiers, and on top of that, you will get free downloads from files that I've worked on, including stuff from my tutorials. You'll get characters and environments and assets that I've been accumulating, textures, you name it. You'll be able to get direct feedback to me as to what you want to see in my videos, as well as your name being put in the credits at the end of my videos moving forward. So if you like my content and want to support me, you can go to Patreon/SicklyWizard or click on the link in the description below. As for Patreon goals, I don't know. One of my big fears with actually making this Patreon is that it somehow blows up and gets bigger than I could ever possibly anticipate, and then suddenly being locked into doing some things that I poorly thought out and was never mentally prepared for to begin with. So hopefully my goal of $1,000 a month to make an animated series of some kind is far-flung enough that I can mentally prepare and network for it beforehand, but we'll have to see. With that said, thank you everyone for supporting me for the past 2 years that I've been doing this. And thank you to my 3 Journeyman tier supporters, Boohoo Music, William the Wicked, and Pixel Pagos, who supported me before I could even get to make this announcement video. I look forward to continuing this YouTube thing and whatever that brings, and with that, that's really all I have to say, so see ya.